Good afternoon. Okay. I am Eng Soon, Microsoft MVP. I changed a lot of category. This is my, I think, number 4 category. Every year I change because of money. Okay. What I do, currently what I do is I migrate SAP data to Microsoft Dynamics. This is my first project until my career path today. Okay. At beginning, this year, February, I joined a Big 4 company. If you got any, I know every developer frustrated with the machine learning, bot framework migration from update from SDK 3 to SDK 4. This one, the process, everything I go through. Okay, why I today want to talk about machine learning? Got one day, we got data scientists from US side and also a local agency to train the data, maybe NUS involved. A-Star agency. Okay, they join in with discussion. I also first time join the meeting. Okay, me and my manager going, okay, we thought we today have a solution. But go in, A-Star agency and our data scientists talk about their language, that what model, everything model, any model, what accuracy. Both of us just said, don't know what they talk about. Because maybe after that we also found that we tell the project managers next time we no need to involve better because normally they want to 5 o'clock meeting until 7 until 8. Yeah, my first time is 8 o'clock, release me after meeting. Okay, then after that we set up a audit chatbot. You know audit book got how many book or not? Audit book around 5, like that thick. Then we also not involved for the process. We only want the web service, the API only. So that we try Google, Microsoft, Facebook modeling. At the end, we choose Facebook modeling because machine learning not about who you should use the Microsoft, Google, Facebook, or other provider. We only want the better result. At the end we choose the Facebook modeling. Then after that, I think 3 months back, 3 months back, launch of my audit chatbot in the company. Then they also used by other country. Then now I only monitoring if that is down for the one or kind of fault with in Singapore we got 3,000 staff in the company. If in the whole world, how many I'm not sure. Because daily data is very important to me to improve the chatbot. Then after that, I tell them Microsoft end of the support SDK 3. Next time nobody will help you to maintain the source code already. Then I also help them from the bot framework SDK 3 to SDK 4. Okay, before I start, anyone involved in the machine learning or data scientist? No? Okay, you, anyone? Okay. Ready? Okay. Okay, and here you can see that got 3 layers. Always got people tell me they want the 100% accurate of your AI services. But I think no, nobody will say accurate. Even at Changi Airport, we are not accurate. Okay, because we tried before, and I think 2 or 3 years ago. Now I think they also missing this part. Around 95 to 99% accurate only. Okay, also got a lot of people tell me build, I think 1 year ago, they don't want to understand the machine learning. They want to direct to the deep learning. I also say that don't know how to walk, you want to fly away. Because a lot of things you never learn the basic, you never know you can't go for higher. Okay, I can show you the most outer layer is the artificial intelligence, because developer most like this one, because everything you integrate with their API only. Then after that, machine learning always deal with data. Then the the more data you put in, the more accuracy you have. Then deep learning more on neural network. For example, like your brain, how many neural network you have? How many line of neural network you have inside your brain? You also don't know, because everyone for one day, one of my friend, he is a data engineer. He showed me, hey, today my training model is 100% accurate. I say, can you check again? Because I normally confirm 3 times. Then he try again 3 times, then say yes. Then I say, when got 100%, don't frustrated, because sometimes it's affected by the data. Only face recognition cannot. Okay, yes, that was a part of the data training. Okay, probably you have here in the traditional programming, data algorithm output. Normally, we normally get the data from the data from 5 years. If you want to go further, more or less from the data from from the beginning of the company start, then you get the data. Actually, it's involved a lot of process. You need to clear the data, because last time you use name. Last time you use name, got 3 words for Chinese. Then now you separate out first name and last name. If the data deal with the US side, got 3 names: first name, middle name, and last name. Then after that, you need to have an algorithm. Algorithm is normally our developer will talk with project manager does not have IT background. We normally we facing issue. We normally say we have issue with the algorithm. Then we explain why. Because the project manager don't know what is algorithm. Then we say logic, like 1 + 1 = 1. Then after that computation, then output for you. Okay, now with the machine learning, you can see that computer that automatically with the Microsoft services, Azure machine learning services, you can use they help you to clear the data and do a lot of things for you. Then you can use their use their machine learning model more than 20, if I'm not mistaken. Because last time, I think 3 months back, I still use the old Azure machine learning workspace. Then after that, everything that they compute for you, then you get the result at the same day. Because even you you put in a new data, then it will automatically compute again, then show you the result. Last time before the machine learning come out, I think I only use the Microsoft Power BI, Excel, everything. Then the output will be not accurate, because humans maybe do some mistake. Okay, data, features, output, and algorithm. They give you the model, then you integrate with the API. Okay, I tell this one. Anyone having a breakfast today morning? Got? Anyone go for Yakun today? Yeah, Yakun, right? Normally Singaporeans go for Yakun. I also. I'm Malaysian, but I go for Yakun because got free voucher from yeah. Okay, normally you see Yakun, because they give me the what? The Costco example, I give you the local one. Okay, normally you buy bread, then the people will ask you want coffee or not. Then you will say yes, maybe roti. Then normally buy roti, you will ask you any jam for you, butter, peanut or kaya. Normally choose kaya. Yes, that was the basic understanding of Apriori algorithm. Market basket analysis. That's why you buy one. That's why they sell you a whole package. That's why when you want to replace, for example, like Yakun, you say you don't want the white egg. They say can replace anything. That's why whole package same price for you. Okay, at the US size. Okay, this one, the wine and repeat the snack. Normally, I think after 10:30 you cannot. Let's say about, normally you eat pizza, you take any drinks? Yes, right? Normally it's a soda drinks. That's why they always sell that one package, promotion. especially it's Friday night and Saturday and Sunday. Because at the beginning of last year, I always order the personal pizza. That's why the whole package. How Apriori works? They always find the frequent item that can buy one, then buy bread, then buy jam, then buy the what? Butter. Then buy jam, then the other one you can buy anything. Anyone after that it generates a strong association rules from the frequent item side. Then it certify the minimum support and minimum confidence threshold. Because every time you also can see that the frequent item they put together in one place. Got one case, I think got people always ask me. I think this one is common. But one day got one student asked me from the profession, from the other company, I forget already because last 1 year. He asked me why I only provide a workshop. Then he asked me why condom will be put at the counter. That one I already studied the start. Because normally you will buy everything because you shy, man, okay. If girl buy also shy. Then if buy you will direct drop, you will cover something. Then when the cashier is scan the condom, then they will then you will not see the person, right? Then you will direct faster go out from the store. Okay, this is the I think not so clear for that. This is the high level design of the Apriori algorithm for machine learning. Okay, inside got 3 definitions you need to know: support, confidence, and lead. Okay, let's go for the support. Here, okay. This show you how an item set as measured by the proportion of the transaction in which an item set appear. In this table, you can see the support of the apple is 4 out of 8. Yeah. Or 50% of the item set. Item set can also contain multiple items. For instance, the support of apple, beer, and rice. It's 2 out of 8 or 25%. Yeah. Why they show you beer and milk bottle? Okay, why? Because they, yeah. Because normally if you treat if you are father and mother here, normally your husband will tell you the milk powder how expensive for that. Then because you ask your husband to buy the milk powder from the store, then he maybe feeling stressed because to take care of one baby to grow up is a higher financial for them. They feel stressed, then they will buy the beer. Yes. That's why you can. I think this is the U.S. situation. And here I not sure because I'm not a father yet. Okay, the confidence. Confidence is say how likely item Y is purchased when item S is purchased. That's why they give this one. Like expressed as it is measured by the proportion of transaction with item S, in which item Y also appear. Apple and beer. The table shows that the confidence they buy apple to beer is 3 out of 4 or 75%. The drawback of the confidence measure that it might misrepresent portion of the association, because it is a very wrong mindset for them. Because normally you buy apple, you produce apple beer only, apple wine only. If impossible, you suddenly buy 100 apple, the cashier will look at you 100 apple. That's why you need to the data is very accurate for the milk and the beer. Yeah. Okay. I think they say like, because here they show that the unmatched with the algorithm, because normally people mindset will not buy apple and beer together at the same time. That's why you need to choose the correct machine learning model and the observation from the human being, because in machine learning they can't in machine learning they can't read the human behavior, because like emotion, because some of the developer, you thought if the person happy, if the programmer happy, then if the programmer not happy, they quiet. From last night I always say my boss say that, hey, today how the lunch? Oh, okay lor. Then the other person then when, because I don't like the lunch should entertain my boss. Give face. Then after that, when got one day the project launching, I say, oh, success launching, no bus, no everything. I say, okay, how about project we want to feedback? I say it's like that. Because this situation is normal for me. Because the coding for myself, I know it will be success. then they don't know whether I'm happy or not happy for the project. That's why with the language slang, like Singaporeans say, okay lah, and the one tandita from the machine learning or deep learning. Okay, for the advantage to implement this machine learning, is easy to implement and can be parallelized. Apriori implement computation makes use of the large item set of the property, because here with the data, everything, the more data you put in, the more accurate you have. That's why always, just now we are always say that the time that you have, the longer the time you have trained the data and include then let me rephrase. The longer the time you train the data, the more accuracy. But sometimes it's based on the situation, because nothing is correct or wrong for the machine learning data scientist or current. Okay, computation. For limitation, computational expensive, because at the end you need to have a lot of data to train the data. For example, like virtual machine. If you currently activate your virtual machine, you only have in Asia. I think if you not shut down, the next day your 200 is already gone. Because normally, from my experience, we set up a local computational virtual machine, then with a high-end performance, and so that let the machine learning always run at the back end. Okay, for example, let's go for demo. Today I don't have the source code everything. I screenshot for you because normally I don't know why. Sometimes my machine learning model will be with the inaccurate data. That's why I give you the best. Okay, here you can see that the list of transactions. In this example, we have the 0.5 support from the Apple orange from the Apple. Then extract one item set from it and calculate for their support. You can see that a lot of items we have removed because they don't meet the minimum support threshold. Because we need to at the beginning we need to clear the data. Because maybe this one normally girl will buy, yeah, strawberry, blueberry, raspberry, black, avocado. Normally boy, you say go to buy apple, we don't care, it's red apple, green apple, we direct buy and go back. Okay, now let's assert the two item set using one item set to calculate. Yeah, support. We have less element to consider each step, which reduce the number of support we need to calculate. Okay, now we have the three item set we calculate: banana, orange, and lime. Then, thanks to Apriori Algorithm, we end up checking a 16 candidate item set instead of many more. We only need to check the three things: banana, orange, and lime. Okay, after that, the last step is creating the association rules from all the frequent item sets that have at least two items and calculate their confidence, whether it's confident is accurate or not. The higher is if orange, lime, and banana, the frequent the step they buy. But they buy orange, they buy lime, then only buy banana. Because it's orange and lime they put at the code at another table. Then after that return to another to buy banana. Because you impossible to buy the banana at the only buy one banana from the supermarket. Normally you buy the whole thing. If you go 7-Eleven, you maybe can buy one banana and go only. Because they want, if in the store, you normally buy the one pack of banana and go back. Okay, that's all for my model of Apriori Algorithm. Okay, and here you can see that The first one and second one is the tell you about Apriori algorithm. Then the last one you can use the Eureka. They provide you how to train the data with the Jupyter notebook. Okay, that's all for my presentation. Before that, I got something to up. Okay, I got question to ask. This one sent from US from the last 3 days. Yeah. Okay, I want to ask one question. Every year, which month having a Oktoberfest? Anyone know?
September.
Every year, which of the month having a Oktoberfest?
September and
October. Okay, thank you. Okay, this is your prize. That's why today morning you can see that why I have the Oktoberfest sticker, because this month is a Oktoberfest. If you want to complain why Microsoft not update the document, please help to update that document. Because if you not update quiet, the third one will be frustrated when see no update with the documentation. That's why I also facing it. And